If Jesus came tomorrow, what would he find in your spiritual bug-out bag? Hello, my name is Father Joe Simmons, and this is my 1-minute homily. Once my nephew Edmund was going around the house, putting items into his shark backpack. Fig bars, empty shampoo bottles, a toy telephone, and he put it near the back door. We called it his bug-out bag in case he needed to fly the coop. A bug-out bag comes for military usage. In case of emergencies, troops needed to carry the bare essentials to survive in the wilderness. Maps, water, medicine, and just a bit of food. All of today's readings focus on the needs to be prepared. Our first reading from Wisdom mentions the preparations made for the night of Passover and the hope of salvation for the wandering Israelites. The psalmist cries out, "Our soul waits for the Lord, who is our help and our shield." We hear in the letter of Hebrews how Abraham followed God's command to leave his homeland in hope of things not yet seen. And in today's gospel, Jesus reminds his disciples to lighten their load, to give alms, and to gird their loins. Today is a good time to look at all the stuff in our life. Do we travel lightly and give generously?